saying, okay, that's fine.
No, okay, that's fine. You can leave the car. I'm not putting anything in the car.
What happened? You can't see the gate. You can't touch my vehicle.
You can't touch our property.
No, andalo po. Yung no, no.
Okay, I can do the same and put my stuff in my car.
Yes, you can. There's a
Fine,
camera.
that proves that I stole it.
That's how it's free. If you own it, you're not stealing. If you can't prove that you own it, you're stealing.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network channel. Today comes to you guys an amazing video that was sent to us here by this channel here. This one goes by the name of Sean Dooley Show. What you guys are about to see here is an incident of a couple who are being accused of shoplifting at a Walmart, and there are a few different things that I would like to highlight here in this video. Intimidation, power tripping tactics are used here, but as well as transparency and accountability. Make sure you guys tune in all the way to the end and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. As always, I will leave the original video link and channel link down in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
I don't know. Go look at the cameras. Go look at the cameras. We were at number 7, self-checkout, right there. Okay. They watched us. So then we can walk back in. The girl with the phone there, she helped us. Go ask her.
Okay, so we can go right there and I can go ask her. If she gives me a thumbs up, if she gives me a thumbs up, you can go
Yeah,
right
all
about
the way
your
right here.
business.
You can watch her. This is coming. What is this? No, it's just saying. She's right in there. You can stay here with me. I don't care. Yeah. She just said it. So literally, we don't have to do what you guys can see. Just so
No,
you
they
know.
don't, but they think you're stealing. There is a
Yeah,
law.
but we have no reason to. One of your employees helped us.
I know. We're going,
You heard him tell you.
we have
Like, we legally don't have to do that. Yeah, but I don't believe that. And when you're doing something right now, I literally don't have to go check the cameras. That is your guys' job. That is your guys' job. Go check the cameras. Because we paid for it. The girl with the blue hairs. Bruh, I'm literally not. No, right now. It's bad.
If you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I have shoplifted. Go look at the
They don't.
cameras and tell me what I've done.
That's not articulable. Sorry, we know what we're talking about.
No, it's not. What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I have committed, will be committing a crime?
We'll contact you. Yeah, no, it is. It's completely unnecessary. Just let us go because we take. Go check your camera. You get a room to check the camera.
You want to be gone by then?
No, we're not. He's right here. Okay, go check the
How
camera.
did you
Stop
guys
wasting
pay?
time. Go check the camera.
Don't yell at me.
showing that there.
I don't need to show them anything. I actually am not obligated to participate in any investigation against myself.
God, this is music to my ears.
Okay, well, I'm actually about to get my jury document. April 24th. She's wrong. If you don't have
She's not wrong.
I'm gonna give you proper blood.
Walmart is.
What's your name? Are you a police officer? You're not even a police officer, are you? That's cool. I want an issue. That's cool. You can't do nothing. So I want an issue. This is already. You're not even a police officer.
You're recording it. Yo, put it on me, bro.
This is my property. So are you seizing my property? I don't.
Basically, at this point, you guys are seeing the officer block them off from leaving and accuse them of stealing. Later on in the video, you will see another officer arrive at the scene, this time being a superior officer who is pretty much more educated on the law. His rank was not placed on his sleeve, nor did he state his name, but he tells everybody that they have done nothing wrong and then let them go. It's not quite often in these videos that you see an officer do his job correctly and actually know the law. This is Baltimore County, Maryland City Police Department. Leave your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below.
Check the cameras already. Why you're here? Why does he not go check the cameras in? I don't have to. We can wait right here. He's with us. Go check. See, he could have already went and done that.
Okay, so am I being arrested or detained, or my possessions being seized? Okay, under what? Okay, well, I'm asserting my Fifth Amendment right, and so I want my attorney, I would like to use my advisor now.
And that's illegal. Like, you have to do that.
Can I have your supervisor, please?
Yeah, she cleared the thing off.
Okay, go check. I said
Then
go check the cameras.
We didn't say go check. Yeah, she cleared the thing off because there was stuff on it. Go check the cameras.
Okay, so am I being arrested?
We already
Am I being arrested?
horse shit.
Am I being arrested? Because I really have someplace to go right now.
I don't know. It's the first one right there.
I don't know.
Stay right here.
No, you don't have. He's not even a part of any of this. He didn't buy anything. Shopkeepers deliverance states that you can be detained when you have reasonable belief of shoplifting. Failure to provide a receipt does not mean or constitute shoplifting.
Yeah, 7.
Yeah, because you live
I
there.
said that you came for your items.
I
She
did.
herself told us that she doesn't remember.
I don't even remember her. She
No,
said
it's a
and I paid.
self-checkout. She cleared shit off of there so we could ring it up.
And like, what am I being detained for? What am I being detained for? What reason do you have to believe that I'm shoplifting? Did you witness me put stuff in my pockets, which I don't have? I have no pockets. Did you witness me not pay? Did you witness me not pay? Did you witness me not pay? So
Yes,
you
no.
did not witness me fail to pay. But you didn't witness me steal anything. It does actually.
It doesn't have to be like this.
I can still,
Can I have your supervisor, please? Okay, when are you gonna call him? What's your timeline? What is the, yeah,
You're being recorded, so
okay,
this isn't just
what is
right
the
there and right there.
timeline that I can expect to talk to a supervisor? Because I don't have to provide you anything. I think that's unreasonable. What's your reasonable articulable suspicion that I committed a crime? Is that reasonable articulable suspicion? I didn't point out anything. I don't care. He didn't pay. I didn't point out anything.
so then even if you didn't pay, where's your receipt?
I don't have to show that. Because I paid. This is my stuff. I own this. So you're saying I can't put this in my car? Yeah, I don't have to prove it. Actually, you can't prove that I stole it. That is how the law works. You prove that I stole it.
And if you gotta write us a ticket, that's cool. We'll go to court, right? Like, go ahead.
Okay,
We'll
but
be able to get
these
out of
things
here.
are frozen. I need to go.
Who says?
Are you gonna take it from me? So,
We'll go
are
to
you gonna
court,
take
dude.
it from me?
We'll go to court. We don't care.
Because I paid, I own these.
This
I'm
is
the
our
lawful
property.
owner. Yes. And I really don't like to leave my car parked right there.
No, you're not putting anything in your car.
You just said, okay, that's fine.
No, okay, as far as you can leave your car, you're not putting anything in your car.
What happens? You can't see the gate. You can't touch my vehicle.
You can't touch our property.
We're not being disrespectful. We're not being argumentative. We're asserting your rights.
That's it.
We paid for this.
This is our
belongs to
right.
me. You can't.
You
I
have
don't
to
have
prove
to.
we stole it.
I mean, why not give a receipt?
That's a bad idea, bro.
I'm not doing
That's a bad idea.
anything. I asked them to check the
You're giving them access to your car.
I know. That's why I.
It's a bad idea.
Because
You want your car searched?
No, I just said I don't.
I'd take the shit out of your car. Don't involve it.
Why not? Okay, I can do the same and put myself in my car.
Yes, you can. There's a
Fine,
camera.
I prove that I stole it.
That's how it's free. If you own it, you're not stealing. If you can't prove that you own it, you're stealing.
You got to prove that they don't own it. Innocent until proven guilty, not the other way around.
You have other people here. Are we all more educated than police officers? That's sad, dude.
6 months of training, man.
Innocent until proven guilty.
Time's ticking on that detainment, too. See?
Well, I don't know why you're trying to investigate my vehicle because I'm not over there.
And we don't
You need to
consent.
step away.
So this is illegal.
Can I get you to please step away from my car?
We've repeatedly asked you that. So we're holding the items to make sure that they actually bought them. So the AP is inside of the store checking the cameras, but we're not he also has a list. Getting in our way, he's violating our rights. So thank you for not being difficult.
So, is there anybody, Walmart employee that's saying that they took the items from that state?
Nobody is accusing us other than
Who? Nobody.
Let me go talk to Avery.
Can I give you?
Sure, absolutely. Just so you know, I got a camera on, so
Check out what's that down. And we will be able to tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Thank you and have a good night.
I'm just going to talk to the LP and
trying to see our property. You said you were doing a self checkout? Number 7,
I don't really.
yeah.
I don't really feel like.
Can you stop doing that, please?
No.
No. Can you stop doing that?
No.
Please? Seriously.
No.
Can you stop doing that?
No.
please? Why not?
And you can't make me.
Don't put smoke on me. I just asked you a question.
What are you coming up to me talking to me for?
I said, please. I'm not trying to cause
No.
an issue.
Oh, I just told you no.
Okay. So, did they take anything?
No, I was running the camera.
Okay.
This is the same stuff.
So, but did they take anything? Did they steal anything?
No.
No, we haven't
No, I
stolen
didn't.
it.
Left off the door, didn't show you.
I don't
Okay.
have to.
Just hit me up. I'm pretty sure you already.
Yeah, you.
I'm not disrespect. Stop disrespect.
Okay,
It's not
just
disrespectful.
let
It's
me.
disrespectful to say I have
They left off the store.
all the disrespect you want. I've been disrespected way too
Tell
much.
me.
They left off the store. They didn't
I
show
didn't come
you.
here to do this shit.
You got people out there searching. They checking to see if they're doing their job.
See, the thing
they
you said is
walk past.
searching. I don't
None of
have
this
to
stuff
be
is
searched.
bad.
Okay.
So they said I don't have to show you a
What?
receipt. Hold on one
Do I
second.
need a bag?
1 second. So I asked them, I stopped them. You got a receipt? I don't have to show you anything. All that. I know it's your policy. That's not our so because officers, I finally had a chance to go run and check the camera, which I wanted them to just come inside and show me receipt.
Really? Yeah, actually, it's my parents' car, so they're very loving and
Okay. You guys good to go?
That's all we're good to go.
Good to go. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, but they don't have to. They don't have to show receipts.
Yeah, that's the whole thing.
Where would
about
you
it.
like
We
me
don't
to
have
put the
They
shopping
don't have
cart?
to. That's the thing.
Right here, you can take that.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening.
They can be detained if they're suspected of shoplifting.
They were suspecting.
Okay. You guys are good. Have a good day.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
What about this guy?
Can I?
He can leave.
Can you send me that
It's up to
video?
you guys. I mean, it's a private business. It's up. I mean, I'm not controlling him.
Get that out of my face, please.
I'm not in your face.
If I get his phone and break it, am I in trouble?
Yeah, you are.
Why can this guy record me?
Because of the First Amendment. You ever heard of it?
Stop it.
You're in public.
Can I get your phone number?
They're allowed to record. They can record me as much as much. They
Well, I'm
can.
asking you to stop.
I'm telling you no.
He doesn't have to. I mean, if Walmart wants to ask him to leave,
You should learn the law, man. Especially in your job. You should know it.
Can I get your phone number so you can send me that?
The Sean Dooley Show on
I don't
YouTube.
care if you record, it's fine. But if the manager asks you to leave, it is private property, so you are aware.
If
that
he
you
asks
have to
me.
leave. Okay. As long as we're all on the
Yeah,
same page.
yeah. I have to be warned first, and then I'll leave.
Okay.
Is that how it's spelled?
No, SEAN DOOLEY.
Okay.
And I'll put it up later on tonight.
If you could, would you blur our faces?
I can't do that.
Okay. All right.
I don't know how to. I wish I knew how to.
Yeah, that's fine. Have a nice evening.
No problem.
Go ahead and let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys head on over to his channel and go show some support. As always, you can find the original video and channel link in the description down below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.